Hey guys, welcome back to Low RC. This is Jason. Today I've got the redcat Ascent 18 out, and I have got a new motor option I'm going to show you guys today, and it is the SEQURE system. It's the ANT ESC and 1520 motor combination. This is an outrunner brushless system, and this is new from SEQURE. I've tried their tent scale system and I absolutely love it. So when they reached out to me and asked me if I would try this one, of course I jumped right on the opportunity. Thank you to SEQURE for giving me the opportunity to test this out today. I haven't run it yet, so this is going to be the first test for all of us, but let's take a look at it here. First of all, in the package, this is how it comes. You'll see it up here on the screen. Comes in a nice little plastic case, everything you need in it. Got the ESC and then the motor, and then you've got a little bag with some pinion gears and some different battery leads, things like that. Tape, zip ties, everything you'll need to install it. And then you've got the Wi-Fi module that will allow you to plug into the ESC and fine-tune the ESC to your liking. But this ANT ESC is a 2 to 3S ESC. It's a 50 amp. It's got a 6 volt 3 amp VEC built into it. It's got a nice aluminum case, very nice looking ESC, and then of course the outrunner motor there. Nice tiny little package, and I think it ought to perform pretty well. The redcat radio system, obviously it came with the 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo, so you would have to do something about your receiver. Today I threw a Dumbo RC in the redcat Ascent, and that receiver fits nicely there on the redcat, and this system is only $35. Now I believe the SEQURE system comes in around $51 for a complete brushless setup for one of these small crawlers. In the bag you'll get some different pinion gears for different models. Not exactly sure, but it did come with the pinion for the redcat. It's got different motor leads. The ESC will plug directly to a axial battery, but then it's got the leads for redcat and leads for the FMS. I didn't see a redcat or a Traxxas lead, but that doesn't surprise me. But the only thing that I did not like about the system initially was the pinion gears are press-on pinion gears. But nonetheless, I kind of heated it up and pressed it on there, and it went on pretty easily, and we'll see how snug it stays on that motor shaft, but that's an easy fix. You can always buy a pinion gear with a set screw in it, but that would be the only thing that I would change initially about the kit, was give it some better pinion gears. But enough of that. Today I'm running a FMS battery in the redcat, and I've got that up front to hopefully give it a little better performance. But let's button this thing up, go over to Crawler County, and see what it's got. All right, here we go with the redcat Ascent 18 and the ANT ESC 1520 motor combination. This is a 3450 kV motor, I believe, but today I'm running it on 2S. Check out the slow crawl here. Oh yeah, definitely gonna have plenty of low end control, it looks like. Little punch, speed test, plenty enough for 2S. Like I said, this is capable of up to 3S. 50 amp ESC, so let's take it over here to the rocks and see how it performs. It's been a while since I've had this little guy out at the course, but definitely a capable little crawler. So far so good. Alright, got that front end to come around and sit down. Let's see if I can navigate up here to the top section. Oh man. Look at that. I got the reach there with that front tire. Not quite enough traction to pull the rear up, but let's see here. Try this again. And there she goes. That is absolutely incredible for this little truck. Now we'll make our way on around the course. This section is definitely a lot easier with 10 scale. Got some really sketchy terrain here for this little guy. So far, it's doing exactly what I want it to do. Oops, that did not work out well. Go on around here. I'm gonna see if I can't come around and back down through this gap here. See what kind of control it has while descending. Well, that is not really the direction I wanted to go. Okay, there we go. All right, very nice. All right, here we go. We're just gonna navigate a little simple terrain and make our way over here to a nice steep crawl. I've tried this with the redcat battery in its stock location, and I think I've made it once with these tires. So I'm wondering here today with the battery in the front, whether I can do this or not. So far, the throttle response is really nice on this motor. Come on, tires, get some grip. There we go. Come on. Wheel speed. Man, look at that thing. Come on, mister. Absolutely awesome. All right, let's turn around, go back down, check out the drag brake. I have a feeling it's gonna want to nose over, but we'll find out here. Again, this is stock settings right out of the box. I have not changed any parameters of the ESC. Yeah, this is awesome. Look at those tires just barely turning. This might be an extremely boring portion of the video to watch, but actually being behind the wheel, this is kind of exciting. And I want to try something here. I want to come to an absolute dead stop. This is where the 10th scale version of the SEQURE really excels, is when you're on a steep downhill and you want to get back on the throttle after coming to a complete stop. The Hobbywing Fusion actually struggles here a little bit, but the SEQURE, let's see if this one has that ability too. Yep, it does. The SEQURE just has a very good low end response, and it's able just to barely get those tires moving from a standstill. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip on down here. Oh, there we go. But awesome test right there. Now we'll come around here to the water feature. We're not gonna go in the water. I do not think this system is waterproof. Haven't read up on that, but I'm assuming since most outrunners do not like water, this one will probably follow suit. But let's see if we can't crawl up here somehow. Oh, come on there, mister. All right, let's give this another try. I'm gonna get a little risky here. But I think this guy can make this line right here. Woo! That was close. Too close for comfort. All right, let's skip that one. Let's go around and try an easier line. There we go. Nice and safe. Pretty much dead silent on this system. You hear it a little bit at full throttle, but at normal crawling speed, this is just hardly any noise at all. You hear the gear mesh, and that's about it. And as far as the press-on pinion, not really an issue so far. It seems to be having zero issues whatsoever. Awesome. Yeah, I don't think there's anywhere for me to go from there. Give it a little throttle here. Zip it off that edge. There we go. All right, I think we'll keep it in the shade here. Just try to find some nice terrain here for this little crawler. And really my first impressions are, for the price, this is not bad at all. All the things that I like about the 10th scale SEQURE system seem to have transferred over to this small scale pretty well. Oh wow, look at that. See if I can drop off of this here. Okay. I'm afraid that bumper's going to dig in. Okay, it made it. Up and around there. Try some descent with the ascent. Pretty darn cool. All right, we'll take it at some trailing speed here. kind of a nice walking pace. See how it handles it. All right, not bad. All right, I think this is about where we'll wrap the video up today. But yeah, this is not bad at all. For the price, you really can't go wrong with that. Even if you need to upgrade your radio, like I said, that you can get this system for about $35. Comes with the receiver and the transmitter. It is an upgrade over your standard radio. I think it's a little better, and along with this motor ESC combination, you got a pretty nice little performing package here. And this motor, you know, like I said, you can use it in other 18th and 24 scale products. It comes with, you know, most of the stuff you need to make that happen. So thank you to SEQURE for sending this out to us and letting us try this on our channel. It's been a lot of fun, and I am definitely going to be enjoying this ascent with this system in it. It's been a lot of fun. It's a great performance package here. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe. If you're interested in this motor, make sure you check it out in the link. And thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.